Welcome to this YouTube channel, and of course you can always have this content on all my social media channels. So how do you connect your WhatsApp to your browser, as in your system, whether you are using WhatsApp personal or WhatsApp business? And I always encourage that you make use of WhatsApp business because of so many other tools available within your WhatsApp business. But then you don't want, probably you are tired of typing with your fingers and you want to make use of the system to communicate and to interact with your audience. Okay, how do you then connect your WhatsApp to your browser? The first thing you have to do, of course, is to connect your system with the internet, and that is the most important thing, so that your system can actually browse online. Okay, the next thing is that you go to your browser, and by browser I mean probably you are using Google Chrome, like I like Google Chrome, or Mozilla Firefox, or Mini, Internet Explorer, any of these browser. The next thing is that you want to connect, you want to open your browser and enter this URL, which is web.whatsapp.com. web.whatsapp.com. Now if you do that on your browser, you are going to see a pop-up like this, okay, where you can actually sync this barcode. The aim is that we want to sync this barcode on with our phone. And how do we do that? Of course, you enter web.whatsapp.com into your browser, it pops this out, and the next thing is that you are going to go onto your phone, on your WhatsApp phone, and you are going to connect to your WhatsApp menu, and you are going to click on WhatsApp web. Then you are going to sync that camera screen onto this barcode in order for you to have. So at the end of the day, you are going to see something like this, where your website is synced with your barcode, your WhatsApp. Now you can actually communicate using this platform on your system, and you can do a lot of things with it. And of course, don't forget that you can also focus on your catalog. If you have some products, you can see there are a lot of things you can really do with WhatsApp business. I think I'm going to take another time to explain some of the features that we have in WhatsApp business, and why I would recommend that you should create a WhatsApp business account. And don't forget that even on an Android or iOS phone, you can install both WhatsApp personal and WhatsApp business, so you can do that. The only difference is that you have to have two different lines for each. Okay, having said that, if you have found some values from this video, kindly give it a like button, comment, thank you, share, be a part of my community. I wish you all the best, and my information is always available in the description. Kindly DM me if you have any need for my services. I build websites and I run digital marketing services. Thank you and all the best.